Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. Today we're looking for the area of an enclosed semicircular space with a perimeter of 100 meters. So, quick artist's impression. Let's see if I can do this without making too much of a mess of it. Okay, it's a little lopsided, but this is what I'm talking about. Semicircle, line across here enclosing all of this space, and the total perimeter, this plus this, is equal to 100. So how do we go about this? Well, we need to think about how this is constructed. So if this is a semicircle, in the middle here we have the center of what would have been the total circle. What that means is that this is a radius and this is a radius. So we have two of those. We also have half the circumference of a circle. Now the circumference of a circle is normally written as 2 pi r, sometimes pi d, and these two radii down here we could write as d, but I'm not going to. I'm going to stick with the idea of using the more familiar form, 2 pi r, for the radius of a circle, and these two radii here. Now we have half a circle, so our 2 pi r gets divided by 2, which means that we are looking at pi r. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Half of 2 pi r is pi r. So the perimeter of this thing is equal to pi times r plus 2r, these two things here, and that in turn is equal to 100. And the question is, how do we find r? We know what pi is equal to, we know what 2 is equal to, and we know what 100 is equal to. We're looking for r. And we have what some might see as a slight problem here. I'm going to show you how to overcome this. Treat this as an expression and factorize it. R into pi plus 2. Now if you multiply this out, you will get pi r plus 2 pi, and that equals 100. So r is equal to 100 divided by pi plus 2. Now that's time to reach for a calculator. Just give me a moment. 19.45 we will call it. I can show you it there. That's 100 divided by pi plus 2, 19.4492. We'll call that 19.45. We know what r is. The area, which is what we were tasked with finding, is equal to pi times r squared over 2 because we have half of a circle. Rightio, so let's go to work. We're going to use 19.45 as a measure of the radius. So pi times 19.45 squared, and divide that by 2, and I get 594.24 meters squared. There's my working. So pi times r squared, pi times 19.545 squared gave me that. I divided that by 2 and I got 594.24 to 2 decimal places. That is how you find the area enclosed by this 100 meter perimeter. I hope you found that useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks very much for watching. Bye.